Hey guys, this is a question from paper 1 GCE 2025 final exam. So we are given that an arithmetic progression is given by 7, 11, 15, 19. Now we want to find the 10th term, okay? And we want to find the sum of the first 12 terms. So we will need two formulas here. So the first formula for part 1, we will need the nth term formula. Tn is a, which is the first term, then n minus 1 multiplied by d. So if you don't know where this formula is coming from, please check the link here in my first video. Okay, so here our parameters n is, we are looking for the 10th term, so our n is 10. Then the first term a is what? A is 7, right? Okay. What about D? So we know that D is the common difference. So we can just do, 15 minus 11, right? Because this is an AP, so the difference must be the same. So 7 minus 11 is just 4. Okay. So let us go ahead, fast forward, guys. So our T number 10, right? The 10th term is, first term A is 7 plus our n, we said that it is what? 10, then minus 1, multiplied by the d is what? D is 4. Okay? So let's go ahead and do the multiplication. So this is just 7 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, multiplied by 4. Okay? Then this is just what? 7 plus what is 9 multiplied by 4? That is 36, right? 36. Okay. Then we just add 7 plus 36, it gives us 43. Okay? So therefore, the 10th term is 43. Now let us go ahead and find the sum of the first 12 terms. So this one is new in our lesson. We will need the formula for the sum of the first nth term, right? So Sn is given by n divided by 2. So guys, you need to memorize this formula. Memorize, then understand how to use it. So n divided by 2, then we are going to multiply 2 by the first term plus n minus 1, then multiply by the common difference. Okay, so again, our n here, please don't use the n that is in the first part, right? That was the 10th term, but here we want the sum of the first 12 terms. So n here is 12. Okay, so we are looking for s sub n, right? So n is 12, s sub 12. So s sub 12, it means the sum of the first 12 terms. Okay, so n is 12, where there is n, I put 12 divided by 2, multiplied by 2. We said the first term is 7, right? Then plus n is 12 minus 1. The common difference is 4. Okay, all right, guys. So let us go ahead and do the division here. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then multiplied by 2 by 7 is 14. Then plus, you can see this is 12 minus 1 is 11. Multiplied by 4 is 44. Okay. Remember, you don't use a calculator in paper 1 normally, so you can easily do the multiplication, right? So 6, then 14 multiply, 14 plus 44 just gives us what? Multiplied by 58. Okay, then 58, you can multiply 5, 6 by 8, then 6 by 5, so you have 348. Okay, so the sum of the first 12 terms is 348, guys. So in a nutshell, for the first part, we needed the 10th term, so we use the nth term formula. Okay. Then For the sum of the n terms, first n terms, we use this formula. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you find this video very helpful, please leave us a comment, share to your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next episode. Thank you.